Hello, you beautiful people. How are y'all today? Well, I'm back with my new vlog, and my today's vlog is about a beautiful outfit that I plan to create. Yes, guys, today I plan to create the most loving outfit to every Indian woman. And trust me, it's gaining so much popularity even internationally that everybody craves to wear this and waits for an occasion. So guys, I'm talking about a beautiful sari which can be worn for any occasion, and even the simplest can look absolutely dressy and beautiful. Today's outfit is going to be a designer sari. We all sometimes fear wearing a sari if we are not used to, because the pleating and carrying it is not very comfortable with everyone. So today I will be doing a stitch sari and a beautiful blouse which will be embroidered. So this is the idea for today's outfit, and the color that I have in my mind for this kind of sari is going to be an amazing black. A black sari absolutely looks gorgeous and can be worn for any outing, and definitely needs to be one in the wardrobe. So that's right guys, and when I'm going to do a stitch sari, we also have a concept of doing a different fabric for the skirt and pleating and a different fabric for the palla. The palla that I would be creating would be more embroidered and heavy, and the skirt area, the pleated area, would be maybe in contrast with that kind of palla, as in a black and gold combination, for example. Because if I use too much of embroidery even for the skirt area, then pleating and draping gets too fuller. As we can, when we drape, it's all been hidden and covered with the pallu. So that's the idea, and of course I would be doing a beautiful nice blouse along with this. So guys, if you know my vlog how it goes, we will be picking up the fabric, designing it, and ultimately showing you the complete look of the outfit. Let's go. So here I am in the fabric store, and I am first picking up the fabric for the skirt area. This is the black color which I had in mind, and it's quite attractive. It's a beautiful Banarsi Georgette brocade kind of fabric, and this has got overall these bootas which is in antique gold. So it's really nice, and I definitely wanted to go for a black sari. So I guess something like this, which is a nice Georgette and softer fabric, can be used in the pleating area, because when we make those pleats, which is going to be like in sari, there are usually around 8-9 pleats in the center. So a fabric which is soft really helps. So this is what I am deciding to pick up, and matching according to that, I would be picking up the pallu and also the blouse. This is what I am considering for picking up the pallu. Definitely these fabrics are available in white shades and they are dyeable fabrics. So I'm thinking to pick up something in white shade and then get it done in a beautiful black color. This is what I have picked up, and I'm quite convinced to go for something like this, because this has got all over this antique sequined work, and the fabric that we have for the skirt area, which is in black and gold with a dull gold booty work all over. I guess this kind of embroidery on the palla would really look very attractive, and it's got a beautiful combination of these circular and box print. So it's quite attractive, and I think I'm sure to go with this. Well guys, as I wanted to pick up fabric for the blouse, I'm thinking to get it done. This is how I have done the embroidery and stitching for the blouse. If you see the lines, it's got a beautiful chain stitch that we have got it done from the karigar, and this is how it's turned up to be, and it really looks attractive. It's in a black and gold thread, which goes perfectly with the sari look that I have in my mind. So I think we are complete with all the assembling of fabrics and embroidery. I'm just making a note of or sketching everything in the paper, so that when the stitch sari is done, the master has a clarity about how it needs to be done, which fabric, how it would be used, and also to give you all a clear picture about what exactly I'm talking about. This is how the blouse is being done. As I mentioned, it's going to have like a beautiful deep neck in front and back, a very short cap sleeve. Cap sleeves are usually like 3 inches. We put a string on the back side of the blouse because the neck is quite deep, and the area which is going to have the pleating is going to be in brocade, which I just showed you all, and the pleats would be stitched. It would be like a wraparound, so the buttons would be there according to the size of the waist. I'm just mentioning the embroidered fabric, which I'm going to keep it like 3 meters. Usually it's 2.5 meters, but we go 3 meters because I like longer pallus. This is how I have made note of everything, and of course it's a stitch sari, so we also need to keep a ready length, which I keep it 38 inches, and the waist where the buttons would be there would be 34 inches. And there are different kinds of stitch saris. Some are close on, like draped as just worn like a skirt, but what we are doing it is open drape sari. This is how the look of it has turned up to be. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous and turning stunning, guys? I really love the look of it. Black color with this gold embroidery on it, and the blouse absolutely gives me a stunning look. I just love it, and I guess one black sari with something like this with a dull sequin work is a must in the wardrobe and in your collection. If you go to the detailing of the whole outfit, the fabric that we have used for the skirt really stays well on your body type because it really gives you a nice thinner, slimmer look. And then the palla, which is being done in this embroidered, covers up the entire look of the sari because mainly that is what is being seen. And as I had mentioned, I don't want to go with that because the pleating of that gets too bulky, and the blouse with that kind of chain stitch really looks elegant. So guys, if you like it, then please subscribe and share and like my channel, and also spread a word with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'm Krisha Sidhwani. Thank you so much. Take care.